Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by cutting power. Remove batteries and the AC adapter to keep things safe. Once done, use a small Phillips to open the case and a soft brush to clear crumbs or residue. Make sure to note screw locations and keep parts organized. You're doing this because debris and corrosion often cause unreliable readings. Removing power prevents short circuits. If you see green or white corrosion at battery contacts, gently clean with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol to restore conductivity. Next, inspect the circuit board and load cell closely. You'll test continuity and voltage with a multimeter. Check battery contact voltage, then measure the load cell leads for continuity and expected resistance. This tells you if the sensor is open or shorted. If a ribbon cable looks loose, reseat it, make sure locking tabs engage. For cracked solder or cold joints, carefully reflow with a soldering iron. Once connections are solid, clean contacts again. These steps fix the majority of intermittent or dead-scale problems. Now reassemble and power the unit, allowing electronics to stabilize for 5 to 10 minutes so temperature and drift settle. You'll run the calibration routine, follow the manufacturer buttons, or use a known weight like 100G or 500G. Calibration aligns the ADC to the load cell output. Make sure to zero the scale before placing calibration mass. If readings remain off, repeat calibration, verify load cell mechanical mounting, and consider replacing the load cell if resistance or output stays abnormal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.